It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out. Sign up. There says cinnamon bun, and if you look at it, when you buy it for $1, make sure that it's not actually gonna be that size up on that sign.
There it is, $1, not actual size. The kids look at this every single time we come into Ikea and dream about having a cinnamon bun that's actually that size. But how do they taste?
I don't know. I've never tried one.
How do they taste?
Good. But we
How
should.
do you know?
Well, not this time. I tried other cinnamon buns.
But have you tried Ikea ones?
No.
So you're saying maybe we should give them a try?
Yes.
Is it really going to be that big?
Probably not.
Probably not, exactly. Let's go get some. Alright, let's try this cinnamon bun.
Shame is it's not as big as the sign.
It's not as big as the sign. But how does it taste?
Delicious.
It's not.
It's really good.
I'm making a mess. It's good. It's not really dry. Some of them are like just really dry. It has enough cinnamon in there. It is nice and light. It's not at all comparable to like Cinnabon, because theirs are delicious. What do you think?
It's pretty good. It's not as good as Cinnabon.
Would you buy them again? It's $1.
Yeah.
They're messy. Must be good, huh? It smells good. I'd say it's definitely worth $1.
You can get a 6-pack for $4.
Then it's even cheaper. But we didn't need that many. So we stuck with one.